Good evening, friends. I'm Santosh Kumar Chetty from Spider Software. Today, we'll discuss how the Nifty Bank Nifty performed using the setup which we regularly do videos. The setup name is Mastering the Index by using Iris Plus. Today, 3rd August 2022, the setup we follow in intraday 15, 16 and 4-hour charts. This is a Bank Nifty chart, 15-minute chart, Nifty 15-minute chart, 60-minute chart Bank Nifty, Nifty and 4-hour chart Bank Nifty. The setup is been designed to keep the technical analysis simple for a trader to identify the trade, and the genuinity and success rate of the trade should be very good, and there is always a possibility of extension of the rallies. The generation of the trades can be very limited for a trader, but the real money comes when you have a bigger rallies, at least 200 points in Nifty, 50-60 points in the 200 points in Bank Nifty, 50-60 points in Nifty. Let us go to the technicality how we got the trades. Generally, we will follow the attempt of arrows which is given, then we become alert, then we look for the reconfirmation of the trades. Yesterday in the closing, the last candle, we got a sell arrow in the Bank Nifty, right? We got a sell arrow in the Bank Nifty. After getting sell arrow, we generally wait for half an hour. Whatever the low it made in the half an hour, that is going to be critical. After half an hour, the low the Bank Nifty made was 37,850. The time was 9:45. During the 9:45, in 60-minute chart, we have seen this candle is forming. Generally, to get accurate momentum trade, the candle which is been forming in 60 minutes should be below white line, and the previous candle should also be below white line. If the previous two candles are below, the depth of the fall will be more larger. The previous two candles are not below, one is below but other one is also having the selling pressure, then also we can participate in the trade. One running below, before one below is mandatory. Next one can also give the clear cut larger time frame is supporting towards the momentum trade. If here we have seen the three conditions got matched, this after 10:30 whatever the low it made, it got broken again at 10:30. So here we will be short on the momentum side with a stop loss of 37,950. We will be on short side for 1.5 hour. In 1.5 hour, it can fall 150 points minimum in the Bank Nifty, 50 points minimum in the Nifty. Sometimes the fall can be larger also. From year 800 to we have seen a fall towards the 690 in 1 hour. So we can book the partial profits here. If you're a high volume trader, you can maintain this as a stop loss and hold for bigger targets. With this, you can able to add up the analysis of the option data also. Very good. Now again, we got a buy call generated at 115 at 37,891. In the half an hour, we got a high of 37,900, right, at 130. It's a 130 candle is this one. The previous candle was bulls above, and 130 candle was also trying to be above, but previous candle was below the white, okay, but the buying pressure is not there. So this trade may not be functionally not give bigger profits, because still the trend is been on both sides. So this trade may not be a good trade to attempt even the workability ratios can be good. We get small margin, but extension of the bigger margins may not also be there. So in terms of Nifty, if you see, we got a sell call in the morning at around 9:45. In half an hour, it made a low of 17,260 to 10 o'clock. At 10 o'clock, if you see 60 minutes chart, this candle was forming. This is below, previous is below, and this also below. So we sold something in the range of 260. It made a low of 225. We got a 40 points movement. Then again the Nifty has given a buy call around 305. This I in the half an hour it made a same I. This I got broken at 320 around 215. 215 candle was this one. Above the white, this also above white. This also buyers were slightly okay in this candle. So we entered the trade somewhere here. We got a rally of around 100 points in 1.5 hour. So guys, being with the trader who want to make this trading simple and easily understandable, this setup can be helpful to them. This setup is going to make out solution, because in this setup we have been given the structure of the buy and sell based upon the considering the oscillators, indicators and supply demand zones has got coded. With that, this arrow can be generated. So trader with little bit option knowledge and decent with patient trader can able to generate trades with a good success ratio with a very minimal loss. Where we have clearly seen at 2 o'clock the option was 60 rupees, 215 to 30. It made a high of 95. 35%. When the good structure of the trade is there, we should always give respect to 1.5 hour one target. In 1.5 hour, if you get big move, then there is possibility that more moves than possible. So today we posted the trades in the group also, and we already today in the closing also, due to 4 hour chart got bullish engulfings. In the larger trends are positive. There is always a scope for one more gap up, one more extensions in the early morning openings with the higher percentage of accuracies. So trader who have been planning the trade and got executed in 15 minutes, the extension and the width of the trade targets are bigger in the early 1.5 hour. That itself gives the room for the larger extensions of target for a momentum trader. So this setup has been, if you go through my previous videos, you seen the good videos to understand how the setup is performing in different functionalities of the market, either volatile or range bound trading in supply demand zones, and make the trading very simple, and that's mostly making you the discipline when to be good, when to identify the good breakout. This has been, this setup is solving the problem. As a trader, it's very important that to get a premium, the movement should be happened before the premium got should not get depreciated a lot. Second thing, when premium started moving, the 50% of the times the premium should have the capacity to do the higher margins of the profits also. Like 30% of the premium should go to the 100% of the premium. Then only a day trader can be a successfully generating the wealth. So guys, hoping that this video has been created the good knowledge set for the traders. Thanking you for watching this video.